In an AP, we know that nth term is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into t, and it is also called last term of that AP, that is L. So an and L having the same name. Exercise 5.2, we are taking first problem here and the third question of that. All the questions are in the same pattern. Common difference here, D is minus 3 in table. It is already given. Number of terms N is 18. Nth term, that is last term, is given minus 5. We have to find out first term, that is A. We have to find out this. So now we are going to substitute all these values in this formula. Look at the board. An, the last term is minus 5. So value of An is minus 5. A, we have to find out, plus N is 18. So 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. First we have to calculate or simplify that second term. A plus 17 into minus 3. A minus 51. Now we are shifting minus 51 in LHS side. So it becomes plus 51. Minus 5 is already being here. And A in RHS side. 51 minus 5, that is 46. It is the answer. So, in this problem, if we are going to find out the first term, substitute all these values in nth term formula at their right places, you will get the value of unknown number, either that is an or a or n or d, whatever. तो इस क्वेश्चन में, इस पैटर्न में हम nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला ये देखते हैं, इसका यूज करना है। इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज में इसी फॉर्मूले को यूज करना है जिसमें 4 टर्म है, nth टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस। इन सब में से 3 की वैल्यू गिवन रहेगी और अननोन नंबर जो फोर्थ है उसको फाइंड आउट करना होगा। जैसे इस केस में अननोन नंबर था फर्स्ट टर्म, तो किसी केस में nth टर्म पूछ सकता है, किसी में नंबर ऑफ टर्म पूछ सकता है, किसी में कॉमन डिफरेंस पूछ सकता है। तो होगा सबका यही पैटर्न। दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम। नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर टेकिंग द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम and third, fifth of that. The AP is this, whereas first term is missing, third, fourth and fifth term are not given, second and sixth term are given. So first we are using the formula of second term and the formula of sixth term. Since second term A2 is known as A plus D according to formula, which is equals to 38, the first equation, and sixth term, that is the sixth, A plus 5D, which is equals to minus 22, second equation. Now we have 2 equations and we are going to solve these by using elimination method. Since A plus 5D is equals to minus 22, and write down the second equation downwards to it. Now change the sign, because if we are going to cancel these 2 terms A and A, but these are positive terms, cannot be cancelled. So if opposite sign occurs here, then they are cancelled. So first we are going to change the sign of whole equation. Now A minus A cancel, 5D positive sign, 1D negative sign. So 5D minus 1D, 4D. And these 2 terms are having same sign, so addition of these 2 is minus 60. So divide by 4 to get common difference. D is minus 15. Now we are going to substitute this value d either in first equation or in second. Putting in 1. Here a plus d is 38 and d is minus 15. Substitute d is here. A minus 15 is equals to 38. So a becomes 38 plus 15, that is 53. So the first term here is 53. It is the first term. 53. Now we are going to calculate third, fourth and fifth. A3 is a plus 2d. Substitute the value of a and d. A is 53 plus twice of minus 15. So 15 multiplied by 2 minus 30. 53 minus 30, 23. So the third term is 23. If we are going to calculate the fourth term, that is this place term, the formula is a plus 3d. Substitute the value. A is 53 plus twice of minus 15, thrice of minus 50. So minus 45 plus 53. You will get 8. And if you want to calculate the fifth term, a5, which is a plus 4d, substituting value a is 53 plus 4 into d minus 15, that is minus 7. So these are the missing terms. The first term is 53, third term is 23, fourth term is 8 and fifth term is minus 7. This is the process to find out missing terms. Now we are taking the question number 5, fifth first problem. AP is given here 7, 13, 19 up to 205. This is the last term, not the nth term value. It is the last term. So the first term is 7. Common difference, the difference between two consecutive terms, that is A2 minus A1, is 6. And the last term is 205. And we know the formula of last term L, means nth term formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equals to 2050. Now we are going to substitute the value of A and D to get the value of n. How many terms in this AP are we have here? For that, putting the value of A first. What is A? 7 plus n minus 1. We have to calculate the value of n, and the D is 6. It is equals to 205. So first we are going to shifting 7 in the other side. N minus 1 into 6 is equals to 205 minus 7. Now divide by 6 in RHS side. 198 by 6. Shifting minus 1 in RHS side to get the value of n. 33 plus 1, which means 34. It shows us that this AP have 34 terms. That's why we called it finite arithmetic progression. If the number of terms are non or fixed or finite, then that kind of AP is said to be finite arithmetic progression. We are having the 16th problem here, in which third term is 16, seventh term and fifth term difference is 12, and we have to calculate the AP here. For that, first we are going to put the formula of these two terms, that is A7, A plus 6D, and A5 is A plus 4D, which is equals to 12. Going to open the bracket. a plus 6d minus a minus 4d is equals to 12. Both the a cancelled here. 6d minus 4d, we have 2d here, which is equals to 12. So the value of d is 6. Now come here. The formula of third term, a plus 2d, which is equals to 16. Substitute the value of d. A plus 2 into 6, which is equals to 16. 2 6 are 12. Shifting in RHS side. A equals to 16 minus 12. A becomes 4. So the value of first term is 4. Common difference is 6. Therefore AP is 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22, and so on and so forth. This is the way to find out AP if a single term is given and the difference of two terms is given there. Now we are taking the 13th problem, in which the question tells us 3-digit numbers. We have starting 3-digit number from 100 and ending at 999. But all these are not divisible by 7. The first term which are divisible by 7 of 3-digit number is 105. Adding 7, 112 is the second term, 119 is the third, and the last term is 994. So this is the AP which we have. Number are divisible by 7. Now how many numbers these are, we have to find out, and we know the process for that. The first term A is here 105. It is the first term A. The common difference D is 7. The difference between two consecutive terms. 105 subtracted from 112, we get 7. And the last term L is 994. We have it. Since the last term formula A plus N minus 1 into D, the value of that is 994. Now substitute the value of A and D here. A is 105, N minus 1 as it is, and D is 7 is 994.